By the end of this video, you'll gain a deep understanding of how to effectively plan your calisthenics workouts. Hey, fitness enthusiasts, are you ready to master the art of calisthenics and sculpt your body using just your body weight? Today, I'm going to walk you through the essential steps to create a calisthenics workout routine that's both challenging and effective. Let's start by discussing the foundation of calisthenics, bodyweight exercises, from push-ups and pull-ups to squats and planks. These exercises utilize your own body weight to build strength and improve flexibility. Next, we'll dive into the importance of progression and variation. Gradually increase the difficulty of exercises as you get stronger and incorporate different variations to target various muscle groups. This ensures continuous improvement and prevents workout plateaus. Now, let's talk about structuring your calisthenics routine. Design a balanced workout session that includes upper body, lower body, and core exercises. Aim for a mix of strength and endurance-focused movements to achieve a well-rounded physique. Your support fuels my passion for creating valuable health and fitness content. Hit that like button and subscribe to keep the motivation going and unlock more inspiring videos just like this one. As we wrap up, let's summarize our key points. Focus on bodyweight exercises, progress gradually, and maintain variety in your routine. Consistency and dedication are key to mastering calisthenics and achieving your fitness goals. 1 second lesson. Maximize gains with Dynamize ISO 100 and Optimum Nutrition Gold Standard Whey. Gluten-free, high-protein blends for muscle growth. Links in the description. Elevate your fitness game. Let's continue a video's main topic. Ready to take your fitness journey to new heights? Drop a comment below with your favorite calisthenics exercises, and don't forget to hit that bell icon for notifications on our latest videos. Keep pushing your limits and embrace the power of calisthenics.